In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier, we had the toss and Great Start Academy won and decided to send Yabnel Prep first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Yabnel Prep and Bible knowledge. Which book of the Bible immediately follows Amos?
Samuel's.
Incorrect, it's Obadiah. Great Start. Which book of the Bible comes immediately after Micah?
Nahum.
Correct. Science. Yabnel, what is the name for the main stem of a tree?
The main stem of a tree. Pulp.
Incorrect, it's the trunk. Great Start. Science. What is the name for the outer layer of a tree trunk, protecting it from the elements and pests?
Bark.
That's correct. Jamaican affairs for Yabnel. It's a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Damian Crawford.
That's right. Great Start. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Everald Warmington.
That's right. Yabnel, English language. What is the meaning of the root word vis as used in vision?
Spanish.
Incorrect. It's the ability to see. English language for Great Start. What is the meaning of the root word sub as used in submarine?
Under.
That's right. Television, a visual question for Yabnel. Look at the monitor and identify this character.
Lilo.
That's correct. Great Start. Look at the monitor and identify this character.
Her older sister, I've never seen her before. All right, let's go with Leilani.
That is incorrect. It is Nane Pelikai. General knowledge for Yabnel. In which parish is Bridgetown, the capital of Barbados, located?
Barbados.
Incorrect. It's St. Michael. Great Start. On which Gulf is Port of Spain, the capital of Trinidad and Tobago, located?
Gulf of Paria.
That's right. Social studies for Yabnel. Which two public holidays do Jamaicans celebrate during the Easter season?
Labor Day.
Incorrect. It's Good Friday and Easter Monday. Great Start. Which two public holidays do Jamaicans celebrate during the Christmas season?
Boxing Day and Christmas Day.
That is correct. Music for Yabnel. What is a primary vibrating medium to produce sound in a wind instrument?
First.
Repeat, please.
First.
Incorrect. It's air. Great Start. What is the name of the family of musical instruments that produces sound by the vibration of stretched fibers?
Should I try with string?
That is correct. Mathematics for Yabnel. What number, when added to 188, is equal to 924?
$212.
Incorrect. It's 736. Great Start. What number, when added to 287, is equal to 1025?
$738.
That is correct. Sports, a visual question for Yabnel. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Kevin Blake.
Incorrect. It's the Jamaican Olympian Bertland Cameron. Great Start. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
All right. Do you know?
All right. Sulika Jess.
Incorrect. It's the Jamaican athlete Stacey Ann Williams. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are Great Start Academy on 8 and Yabnel Prep on 2. We go to the break with a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Refresh your mind with breaks outdoors. Fresh air and nature help recharge your energy. Stay with us. Season 22 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.